So, done with that Queen Anne's Revenge, right?
Oui.
Aha, what's this thing at the back?
A lantern, I believe.
A lantern. How many hours did you spend with this thing?
I don't know, maybe 4, 5, 6.
Okay. What's at the front? Let's see.
Got a bunch of flags. This mermaid thing.
The mermaid thing. Okay, we'll go with close enough for mermaid thing. Okay. It's this kind of figurine at the bow is called a bowsprit. Bowsprit. And then this thing sticking up above the alright, we'll just go with mermaid thing. So 4 or 5 hours. Are all the components used?
There's this one.
Oh, what
This
happened?
annoying thing.
What's annoying about it? What is it? What's annoying about this one?
How just incredibly tough it is to put in place.
This used to be flat, right? That's how it came in the kit. And then how should it look like when it's done?
I don't know.
Okay.
That is knowledge that is not known.
Okay.
You can look here on the box, and then
I see.
it should be bent like that. But then it's not very obvious that this is also bent down as well.
I see. So it needs to be curved. Let's see. What do we have for tools here? Put the other pliers there, up here. Are the instructions clear and making sense?
They're clear they're clear most of the time, but at some points
Most of the time.
confusing.
Okay.
The biggest problem
Yeah.
we faced is here at the instructions stage. It gives you the legend. Here's a tab, slot, forward line, whatever, recommended tool, and whatnot.
Yep.
And then here, engraved side and not engraved side. But this is only these things are only used once, and when it's not very important.
I see.
So what ended up happening
Yep.
is I folded this side the wrong way, and the engraved part is on the inside when it was supposed to be on the outside. Same thing with the mermaid.
I see. So the engraved texture part of the mermaid is on the inside?
Like, it's dark here, and dark signals that it's engraved, and so I just put it together like that. But on the box, just grab that over here.
Yep.
It's it shows to be engraved on the outside. You can see the little dots over there.
Yeah, engraved, okay, so textured. Okay, and let's see the finished one. Maybe in front of a white background.
It's a nice model, though.
Okay, I like it. How old are you?
Like 15.
Okay. So the shiny is on the outside, the reflective side is on the outside, that is my camera's lens in it, and the textured surface of the hull is on the inside. Okay. Looking good, it's a fantastic ship. Anything else to add?
No.
Did you have fun with it?
Yeah, about as much fun you can have hurting your fingers.
Hurting your fingers? What part hurt your fingers? The spiky, the little tabs?
Spiky metal, and also hurting your mind, trying to freaking figure out
Hurting
what
your
was
mind.
going on.
Hurting your mind. Alright. So you had fun.
Yeah.
Alright.